Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the best Mioeco Reusable Unpaper towels. A perfect solution for anyone looking to reduce waste and make their home more eco-friendly. If you're tired of using disposable paper towels that pile up in landfills, then these Mioeco Reusable towels might just be what you need. This set includes 10 super absorbent, organic cotton towels that are perfect for tackling everyday messes in your kitchen, bathroom, and even for cleaning up spills. These towels are soft, durable, and highly absorbent, so you can rely on them to handle all kinds of tasks without leaving behind any residue. Unlike traditional paper towels, which are used once and tossed out, these towels are designed to be used again and again, helping you reduce waste while still keeping your home spotless. Crafted from 100% organic cotton, the Mioeco towels are gentle on surfaces, so you don't have to worry about scratching your delicate countertops or furniture. The towels are machine washable, which makes them incredibly easy to clean and reuse. All you need to do is toss them in the washing machine, and they're ready to go for the next round of cleaning. This convenience, along with their long lifespan, makes them an eco-friendly alternative to single-use paper towels. One of the standout features of these Mioeco towels is their versatility. Whether you're using them to wipe down kitchen surfaces, clean up spills, or dust around the house, these towels get the job done with ease. They're great for all-around cleaning, whether in the kitchen, bathroom, or even your office space. Plus, with their soft texture and high absorbency, they outperform many disposable paper towels, giving you a more sustainable option without compromising on effectiveness. Another great thing about these towels is their commitment to sustainability. By choosing the Mioeco Reusable Unpaper towels, you're helping reduce the environmental impact of paper towel production and waste. These towels come in an earthy green color, adding a natural touch to your kitchen, and their square shape makes them easy to fold and store. If you're someone who values eco-friendly choices, these towels are a simple yet impactful step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. So if you're ready to make the switch from disposable paper towels to something more eco-friendly, the Mioeco 10-pack reusable unpaper towels are a great choice. They're soft, absorbent, versatile, and machine washable, everything you need in a reusable towel. If you're looking to reduce your waste and go green without sacrificing convenience or performance, this is the product for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.